IT and OT operations are struggling with AI factories. AI factories are complex new architectures built for the fast-moving AI innovations that are going on. What we're seeing is an increased complexity that requires real-time decisions being made. Now, this is something that the IT and the OT teams are not used to doing. They're used to operating independently across their independent roles, but are now organizations, people that are running the data centers are looking at the data center more holistically. If you've got a gigawatt data center running at full capacity and the utility company says, sorry, we've got a problem, you're only getting 80% of the power I gave you, they have to make split-second decisions on, is it economical enough to fire up the diesel generators to supplement the power, or should we make sacrifices and shut down workloads? Those decisions require the IT and OT data to be combined and AI being used to analyze and look at what's going on to make the right decision in real time. And that requires at least some level of convergence. We're not going to see convergence at the people, process, and organizational structure level yet, but the data layer, that's where it's going to happen. Now, in Omdia, we've done quite a lot of research on this, and we've got more to come. So if there's more information you want to find, get in touch and read and see our forecasts and trackers and reports on this fast-moving, dynamic space.